Have a go at this one that Craig just got. This is my one from,
Made out of cardboard.
from Kmart. It's vegan friendly, it's made out of cardboard, it's disposable, all of that. 6 big. So we are chefs. Disclosure, disclaimer, me and Steve have been signed off by Luke from Wildfire Touring. We are chefs. On the fire. On the fire. Oh, shit. This isn't good, people. Legends, welcome back to another episode, and we are out in the bush and we are bringing you the barbecue challenge.
Barbecue challenge.
So you've seen the jet bowl challenge. If you haven't seen it, take a look, because we're bringing these guys cheaper options. Not everyone can afford a Weber, but everyone can afford a portable barbecue.
Shit, yeah, they certainly can.
Have a go at this one that Craig just got. This is my one from,
Made out of cardboard.
from Kmart. It's vegan friendly, it's made out of cardboard, it's disposable, all of that. 6 bing.
6 bing.
$6 clearance.
Does it
Put a
come
little
with
shot
colours?
in here. Yeah,
Comes with everything.
Everything apparently, everything. And if it doesn't, well, it's going to be a pretty shitty
Come with a
cooking.
chef.
So we are chefs. Disclosure, disclaimer, me and Steve have been signed off by Luke from Wildfire Touring. We are chefs.
I never qualify those idiots.
But in saying that, get someone qualified here, and that's what Creeb is doing. Creeb is our guest judge.
Yeah, been in the kitchen there for quite some time.
Quite some time. So we're doing a, I'll show you your one, Steve.
go. Barbie in the box.
I think
Barbie in a
Stevo's got
box.
a better chance. At least
Hey?
his is metal.
Old Bunnings special, this
don't
one.
Stress, don't stress. What was
Same
yours
price,
worth?
about the same price.
$6.
50, something like that.
How much?
Yeah.
$6.
$5.50.
$5.50.
Yeah, bargain.
So get your Webbers, guys. Throw them straight in the bin, and
Yeah, don't
get
need a
yourself
Weber.
one of
I was
these.
thinking about renovating the kitchen and just installing one of these for that
Yeah,
price.
I know.
One in every cupboard.
Yeah.
So what we're doing, guys, is because we're chefs, we're keeping it gourmet. We're going some beef,
Beef.
and some reef. So we've got some sizzle steak, got a couple of tiger prawns. Have a go at them. So we're going to do a reef and beef in this beautiful setting, and Creeb is going to judge who the winner is.
So you're going to taste the prawns before
He's
they
going to
get
do the
cooked.
prawns.
Yeah, no, they're good.
They're good. They may not be cooked, but they're good. So
A delicacy when they're raw in it.
yeah, Stevo's half read his instructions. I'm not following the instructions because just bin them.
Just says it here.
Yeah.
Says torch it.
Torch it and wait 15 minutes. So we'll set these up. We'll show you the setup, and
Sounds
then
good.
we'll be back with the cooking. So 15
Sure.
minutes.
Yeah.
We should be fine.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
Money's on Stevo. Are we putting wages on this?
No, no wages.
Why not?
Because we broke.
We'll put a beer
Because
on
we
it.
broke. That's
Just
why
a beer.
Yeah, just a beer.
Just a beer.
That's why we bought these, because we're broke.
Yeah.
The problem with this one, you can't get into it, look.
All right, we'll set up and we'll bring his back.
Bloody statements here.
We're done.
Looking good. Oh, I know.
Is that the instruction?
I don't know.
I didn't look.
Don't look at them, burn them.
And see you later.
You-
Is that why you asked? Cheers. Nice Stevo holder.
It is a beautiful slowly holder.
Typical YouTubers. I'm over here doing all the bloody work. They're over there, gallivanting.
We're done.
We're set up. Mine takes way longer to set up. Stevo's you just unwrap.
And put on the feet.
Yeah.
We're done.
And look at the size of it. If you got a family of 10 out there,
Tomahawk on that.
mate, do a roast on it. So we're gonna light them up, wait 15 minutes,
Yep.
and see what we get. So we're gonna set a timer and all. Jokes, we're not gonna do any of that.
Screw that.
Yeah, we're just
2
gonna get.
beers, time.
So light Stevo's first in a minute, and then we'll light mine, and we'll be cooking with gas. No, not really, on coals. So they are coal based.
You do need one of these
Yep.
for that. Only part of the instructions we read.
Yeah, because we didn't want to burn the whole state forest down.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna light them. Let's go. So they're both lit. Stevo's one is considerably better right
Looks
now.
like a forest fire.
I don't know what Stevo does if he sits online all week and finds the best products Ever made, because he's found the Campmaster jet boil.
Well, you had a chance. You bought a Kmart product. I got a Bunnings product.
Well, that's what I did. So my theory was Stevo won last time with a Campmaster Kmart jet boil, so I thought I'd whip into Kmart. Stevo's is really cranking right now, and mine is doing really shit out.
Yeah, it's too close with it.
But let's not judge early.
No,
we're just giving you the facts. When
the cooking starts. When the cooking starts, we'll see.
We'll see.
Which one tastes better with the chemicals?
Yeah, mine's smelling a little chemically, where Stevo's one's smelling like a barley grill.
Yeah.
But yeah,
good.
We'll see how we go. Bring you back in 15.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so the ingredient we're using is the best quality steak that money can buy.
Yep.
Sizzle steak.
You'll hear it sizzling.
It will sizzle. You're paying extra to hear that sizzle, but we're chefs and that's how we roll. So we'll get our steak ready. I'd like to say that the good people at Lanes have hooked us up.
Great work, Lanes.
Thanks, guys. So we're going to go their signature rub and seasoning, just to give these high quality steaks a little bit more. Now, we're reading these instructions, Stevo, because we're chefs. 2 minutes.
We're going to time it.
You leave these on any more than 2 minutes, you might as well eat your shoe.
Yeah.
Because they'll be shit house. But that's what we're using, so we're going to spice those up. Our prawns are already cooked.
Yeah, that's good.
So we're just going to heat them up. So that's quality restaurant meal in 3 minutes.
Well, take 2 minutes to heat them up.
2 minutes.
Done. That might take a bit longer to cook.
We're fine. We're
hungry.
We're fine. So we'll eat the shit raw. So we're a couple minutes away now, and then we're going to get the steaks on the grill. I'm going to see what we get.
Right, let's do it.
Cheers, mate.
Oh, there you go.
What's that say again?
It says free blowjob.
Okay, very good.
Nice. Cheers. That's good. Time to get a beer.
Right, we on.
15 minutes is a long time.
So we've spiced up our steaks. Got a couple of prawns here. Oh, let's just chuck them on. Stevo's is going to be more flame grilled. Mine's just going to be cooked.
Yeah, Texan flame grilled.
Yeah.
So,
We'll go, mate. You got your camera there. I've got my camera here.
let's go for it. Oh, hear that sizzle? That's what we pay for.
Mine had zero sizzle.
I thought that was yours at first. I was like, oh, it's sizzled.
Couple of prawns on the bamboo.
Well, how are we going to turn this? This is going to be interesting. Just right here.
Yeah, I was just going to go. There you go. Here, you go one more. There's not much heat coming from mine. Stevo's got flames.
Mine's like a forest fire.
Yeah. Yeah, mine's probably going to be simmered.
You could be slow cook.
Yeah, mine's slow cooked.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Anyway, we'll bring you back when the cooking action is nearly cooked.
No, I'm not
Probably in about 30 minutes, probably in about 5 seconds. Let's go.
We're on.
So guys, we're at Stevo's. Mine's taking a little bit longer than anticipated, but Stevo's is just looking absolutely
We're ready
mint.
to roll.
Absolutely.
What's that smell?
Mine's on fire. Mine's on fire.
Oh shit.
This isn't good, people.
No, it's not good. Not good at all. That steak's not even cooked.
Creeps. Creeps, get it.
What's going on here?
Mine is on that.
That was a bit hectic.
Jesus.
I think I've saved mine.
Hang on. I reckon. Oh look, that's cooked. That's still good. That's still good.
Anyone on steak?
Stevo's still good, I think.
Come back to you in a minute, guys. So, we've obviously done something wrong.
You missed it.
Sweet Lord. So guys, we're plating up Stevo's. Mine is still just here, just simmering. I don't know if it's still on
I
fire.
think it's still going.
It's still on fire right now. The show must go on. Look what Stevo's created. Look at that.
Well done.
Just absolute perfection. Nice sear on it. There may be some fire extinguisher product on this. I don't know if our guest judge is gonna, I don't know if he's gonna go it.
I'll try.
He doesn't care. Look at that. Stevo's creative perfection.
Beautiful.
Just watch that. Still on fire, mate. What do you reckon? Bit of reef and beef?
Bit of reef and fire. That's pretty good.
Nice little bit of steak there.
Still very on fire.
Yep, nah,
Oh, stand back. I got the dog.
we're still on fire here, but look, we're just, show's got to go on.
It's a good sear, good
Pretty
flavour.
good. Good flavour.
Well done.
So Steve, I suppose we better wrap it up, mate.
Running for the win this time.
Proof is in the pudding. Don't worry about that biodegradable stuff. Maybe it was my fault not reading the instructions. I doubt it.
Yeah.
The portable barbecues.
Shoot out cardboard. What do you expect?
Yeah, looked metal, cardboard. You make the decision. Stevo's creative perfection
All
here.
right, we're done.
Pretty good.
Shout out to Creeper, our guest judge.
Thanks for coming, boys.
It's been emotional. If you're in the market for a barbecue, go a portable one. Why not? They're like 300 times cheaper than a Weber. We're going to deal with this now, guys. Like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one.
See you the next challenge.
Cheers to my chef, mate. If you got a challenge we should do, put it below because we love these
Yeah,
challenges.
let's do it. It's got to be cheap and cheerful challenges.
What do you reckon of Dad being a chef?
Good.
Yeah, that's the guy.
Yep.
Paid him to say it. See you on the next one.
He killed it.
All right.
Your leg's about to fall out. There's nearly no leg left. How's it even sitting up there still?
Camping on a Wednesday. Lotto wins.